Welcome to Get Healthy with Dr. Cooper. The doctor's in the kitchen today. You might be wondering why she's in the kitchen. Remember, my goal is to show you how to use food as medicine. And today I have a registered dietitian with me, Estella. Welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Cooper.
Estella is a registered dietitian as well as a certified diabetic educator. So she has something very, very special for us. What are we making?
Today we're making garbanzo dip.
Garbanzo. What's garbanzo, by the way?
It's also known as chickpea.
Chickpea. Why are we going to be eating chickpea rather than meat?
Well, chickpea gives you enough protein, but it doesn't have any cholesterol.
That's right. Actually, chickpea and legumes, they're known as the poor man's meat. Meat without cholesterol. And we know that red meat is bad for your health. So go ahead.
Yes, we're going to be using today the food processor, and we're going to go ahead and put 1.5 cups of garbanzos. You can make them yourself, or
you can buy them in the can.
Yes, but make sure you rinse them very well.
Pour the water off and rinse carefully, right, Estella?
Yes,
okay.
We're going to go ahead and put a whole aguacate.
All right, and that has, what are the health benefits in the avocado?
Yes, it also gives you that good fat, which is the omega-3.
Good fat. Very good. Let's continue.
Let me just put all the avocado in here.
So good fats you find in avocado as well as nuts.
Nuts, yes.
And why do we need to have good fats, by the way?
One of the ways to lower your cholesterol, you don't have to worry about, raising your cholesterol with this kind of fats.
Right, and you don't have to worry about heart disease. Am I right?
That's right, that's right.
All right.
And I'm going to go ahead and put some lemon juice. This is a whole lemon juice. That makes sure that it doesn't, the avocado doesn't turn brown.
That's right.
We're going to go ahead and add some chopped
onions for flavor. And
cilantro.
Very good. You know, Mexican likes to have cilantro. That's a part of their culture.
Very good. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. That's your taste. I mean, you can put more salt if you want, but just a little bit for now.
Right. So if you're hypertensive, be careful with the salt because salt will increase the blood pressure.
That's right.
All right, let's go. You want to stop and then you can stir for the process to continue easier. So let's do that. We're going to stir some more. And at home, if you're making this, don't get frustrated. Just keep stirring until you get the consistency that you're looking for.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Very good. Are we almost there?
I guess it depends how smooth you want it.
That's right. I think that's, let's see, I think that's good enough.
I like it a little chunky.
A little chunky for texture. All right, so let's put it here in our container.
We're going to go ahead and pour it on the container. Let me just make sure.
Now, I know that there's some young people, some children that do not like their vegetable. Parents, this is a very good way to get your kids to eat their vegetable by making a very tasty and nutritious dip.
That is right. We want to hide them as, you don't want your kids to know what they're eating. And this one tastes very good.
Okay. So we're going to smooth it in here. And we have some vegetable sticks right here. Now, I have celery and carrot. Why should we have carrots?
Carrots have vitamin A.
Vitamin A. And why do we need vitamin A?
For your eyes.
For your eyes. So you out there, if you want to preserve your vision, vitamin A is the way to go. Estella, we're going to try this later after the show.
Okay.
But you out there, if you want some more delicious recipe, go to my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.tv or cooperwellnesscenter.com. Estella, thank you so much for being on our show today, and I'm sure I'll invite you back another time.
Thank you for inviting me, Dr. Cooper.
And visit our website again, as well as our Facebook page. Thank you.